In today's video, we're partnering up with the crew over at repsneaker.com to show you some of the hottest kicks and streetwear they have available right now. These guys have quickly become one of the most trusted sources for high-quality reps of all your favorite sneaker brands. Before we get into the products, let me give you a quick rundown on repsneaker.com. They've got an absolutely stacked collection spanning major labels like Nike, Air Jordan, Adidas, Yeezy, Kobe, Gucci, and so many more. Their quality is second to none, using the same premium materials and construction as authentic pairs. Even better, they're running a crazy 25% off sale right now. Just join their Discord or WhatsApp to get that discount code. For this video, they hooked it up by sending over 6 of their hottest selling items at the moment, a selection of fresh Air Jordan 4 retro colorways and some clean graphic tees. I'm hyped to unbox these and give you an in-depth look. As an added bonus, RepSneaker is offering free shipping site-wide, so no extra fees on top. If you want even more benefits and perks from repsneaker.com, be sure to join their Discord server, which gives you access to their VIP club. VIPs get early info on new releases, exclusive discount codes, giveaways and more. The link to join is in the description. There you have it, just a small sample of the insane sneakers and streetwear available at repsneaker.com. Don't sleep on their free shipping and 25% off sale. Remember to use my code TBP at checkout to stack an extra 15% off too. Hit that like and subscribe for more RepSneaker unboxings coming soon.